Hello everyone, this is part 3 for a winch install on Navara D40. I'll show you now. It's almost finished. So that's the solenoid there, so perfectly snug there. I want to tell a few things about the Dominator winch on Xrox. First thing is the clutch. So when you buy it, you have to, if you want to install on Xrox or you want to move the clutch, you won't be able to move it to 90 degrees. Either you're going to move it up here or further down, because the holes on the clutch casing will not match. Up to if you want to place in the middle, so be wary of that. Other thing is the fair lead. You have to buy an offset fair lead. This comes as a standard with the winch, but if you want to install on Xrox, you have to get a offset one. I bought mine from eBay, so still waiting on shipping. They'll fit perfectly. The second thing I made is the hinge number plate bracket with the aluminium. So I can show you. It's easy to make. If you have tools lying around, if you know how to do it, it's not difficult. Otherwise you can buy for 50-60 bucks on eBay. It works perfect, so that's good. Other thing is the hook that came with the winch is too ugly, so I just put a D-shackle there for a while, which looks neat. Yeah, that's all. As you can see, it's installed pretty good. So thanks for watching.